Junior. We'll wait here while they get the great outdoors ready for our... Come, Junior. Then we'll need to lay down a freeway so we can get down a freeway so we can get down a freeway so we can get down. And while we're down...
We might as well construct an airport to come on all the...
Little people like them and Hedgehog. Hedgehog? You, Sonic?
I think I'll miss you most of all.
Sonic the Hedgehog? Oh, joy. Sonic the Hedgehog? Oh, joy. Sonic the Hedgehog? Oh, joy. Oh, joy. Sonic the Hedgehog, my old nemesis. Tails the friend dog. Come in, come in. Can I offer you something to eat?
This biography of Robotnik came out awfully quickly. It's not even about him.
Sure it is. Look at the cover.
But inside it's mostly about Ross Perot, and the last 2 chapters are feet.
He was just poor.
My corn on the cob. Check in with me and do your job.
Oh my God! What the dog?
Who is this? I can't talk now.